Back to Python tutorial, and in this video you are learning about data types in Python. So in this section you are going to learn about list. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. To some extent, lists are similar to arrays in C. So if you come from C background, then you might be knowing what array is all about. One of the difference between them is that all the items belonging to list can be of different data types. If you are from Java or C or C++ background, then you might be aware that you can store similar type of data. For example, if you want to store number, then only the numeric value can be stored. But in case of list, data can be different types. The value stored in a list can be accessed, and their elements can size be changed. The plus sign is the list concatenation operator, and the asterisk is the repetition operator. For example, list ABCD 786 2.3. As you can see here, the data type is of buried here, and tiny list, and this second one. I will discuss more about list in succeeding chapters because list is a big chapter. So in further videos you will know more about this list. In this chapter I'm just discussing about data type in Python. So this is also one of the important data type. That's why I just covered this, mentioned this in a brief. Now the next data type is tuples. So Python tuples is another sequence data type that is similar to list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike list, however, tuples are enclosed within parentheses. The previous one was enclosed with square bracket, but in this case it is enclosed with parentheses. The main difference between list and tuples are lists are enclosed in brackets. Lists are enclosed in brackets and their elements and size can be changed, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be updated. So that's the main difference. The main difference is this one. It is enclosed in parentheses and it cannot be updated. So that means the tuples are immutable. Tuples can be thought of as a regionally list. For example, tuple, and here you can see it is enclosed with parentheses rather than square bracket. Now the next data type is dictionary. Python's dictionaries are kind of hash table type. They work like associative arrays. If you come from PHP background, then you might have known about these associative arrays, in which what happens, key and values both are defined by users. So in this case also in a dictionary they work like associative arrays or hashes found in Perl and consist of key value pairs. A dictionary key can be almost any Python type, but are usually numbers or strings. Values, on the other hand, can be any arbitrary Python object. Dictionaries are enclosed by curly braces. So in case of list, it was enclosed with square bracket, and in case of tuples, it was enclosed with parentheses, and in case of dictionary, it is enclosed with curly braces, and values can be assigned and accessed using square brackets. For example, here you can see dict, the first one, then dict1, this is 1, and dict, this is 2. So this way you can see this is defined using square brackets. And remember, this dictionary and tuples also we will discuss in detail in further chapter. So in this chapter we are just discussing about the data types of different data types of Pythons. So we are discussing about this in brief. And the next topic is data type conversion. Sometimes you may need to perform conversions between the built-in types. To convert between types, you simply use the type name as function. There are several built-in functions to perform conversion from one data type to another. These functions return a new object representing the converted value. So these are the list: int x base. So here this is beyond the capacity of this tutorial to discuss about it in each and every the point given here, but you can check one by one by typing in text editor and try. So these are the conversion and function which has been provided by Python to convert from one data type to another. So that's it about data type in Python. So I hope you liked the video. So stay connected for further video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.